Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making this beautiful birthday cake here for an order. This is how it looks like. Full details in the next few minutes. For today's video include our vanilla and red velvet cake layers here. We'll also be using a stencil, this silicone mat here. We'll be using some plastic branches, some cornstarch, fondant tools, the sprinkles, our homemade fondant, the alphabet cutters, spare mixing bowls, our glue gun here. This is a plastic scraper. We'll also be using some sticks for support, a pearl picker, painting brush, the fondant rod and mat, our cake board, and the set, and another spare cake board since we are making a cake that will be standing and is also called the top forward cake. We'll also be using some powdered sugar here, the fans I made earlier. You can check the video out to find out how it was done. We'll be using the offset spatula, a spare spatula, a napkin here, some toothpicks, gold dust, red and pink gel coloring, and our gold leaf here. Our chocolate cream here, our chocolate frosting, which is chocolate buttercream frosting here. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. So this is the cake we are using today. We are going to crumb coat it with our chocolate icing here. This is how it looks like after the crumb coating. We are going to freeze it for 30 minutes. 2 logs of the white fondant, 1 reddish orange fondant, 1 deep hued fondant which is pink, and then the light hued fondant which is light pink. I'm going to mix them like this. This will join, this will be in the middle, and then this also be on top. So I'm going to smush everything, bring them together, and smush it once again. And roll it out. So I'm going to use the scraper to divide it into 2 like this. Put half on the side, and then we start with this half. Since we don't have shortening, we are going to use margarine as a substitute, just to keep it soft. Then we are going to roll it out. So this is what we've obtained. We'll use that to cover the border of the cake. So next we are going to roll this out. So this will be for the bigger side, and then this will be for the edge of the cake. How it looks like, I just picked it out of the fridge. I'm going to pass this under it to kind of raise it up. With the end of the parchment paper here, we are going to flip this side onto it. So we do this like this. The top as straight as it was. Then we are going to also crumb coat this side and place it in the fridge for 10 minutes. So we are going to place it in the fridge for 10 minutes. It's also covered. So this is how it looks like after taking it out of the fridge. I'm going to use some water here and then I'll brush to paint so that when we stick the fondant to it, it can get some support. So we are brushing the last side. Going to roll this fondant around the rod like this. And then use it to start covering the cake like so. So this is how it looks like. We'll be placing this side on the main cake board, so there is no need for it to be covered. So I'll place this fondant piece right on it. Smooth it out with the fondant smoother here. So this is how it looks like. Make fondant flowers with the cutouts that I've made. We'll use this fondant tool here with the round ends to kind of loosen the ends of the fondant like this so that the flower will have some kind of movement or design, just like that. So to begin, we are going to use this stick here or skewer. Wrap some of the fondant around it like so. So I'll add some water to the fondant we've wrapped up, and then we wrap the first one around it like so. Using the same method, add some water and then wrap the next one around it. So this is how it looks like. We are going to use this fondant tool here and then create this nice design. So this is how it looks like.
Now we are going to add the decorations to the side of the cake where we've chosen as the front for the top front cake we are making. I'll place in the gold palm, add onto it the birthday topper. Then I'll start by inserting the fondant flowers we just made. After that, I'll add some gold dust to the middle parts of the flowers and then highlight the borders of the flowers with some of the gold dust as well. After that is done, I'll start introducing the plastic branches from earlier on the sides and also behind the flower. And this is how it looks like after adding all the branches. Now we are going to add onto it the golden plastic balls. We insert them on the top parts of the cake like so. Then finally, I'll use the brush which has been dipped in some water to paint the edge of the cake board and then start arranging the hashtag July buns, since this cake is being made for an order for my church July buns. And this is the final look of our heart-shaped top front cake, as beautiful as possible.
And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This year, I'll be very happy that any recipe we post, both pastries or food, you try it out and then give me feedback in the comment section. Also, we post short videos, which is the shorts on YouTube from Monday to Sunday, so you can check that out as well. Please follow us on all our social media handles on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and here on YouTube by subscribing. Help us grow this channel. And I want to use this opportunity to thank all my subscribers for getting us to where we are today. We are currently at 400 subscribers, and I want to say thank you all for supporting me till now. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.